Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, starter type, motor generator, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, fog lights, regenerative braking system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.